season 2 of Alagage Changing Ends. Yay-ho! A national treasure for all facts down to earth and Douglas is cancelled.
He's cooking now. Is he ready for comedy? He is.
Rolls Royce. No nothing. Oh, that's a good bit of driving, isn't it? There was a spring. Landing? Okay, Gar. Mate. Last minute, wasn't it? Okay. Okay. Ding 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 ding. Okay. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Oh, jeez. Neither of them got a clue what they're doing. Oh, for God's sake. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Try and use your indicator brake. Why do you indicate the brake? What the fuck? I flash you out and you fucking brake check me. Okay, Garmin. Volvo. Naughty, naughty, in third lane with a trailer on. You fucking dog. Okay. Coward. Oh, ah, oh, oh. Okay, go. Okay.
Nicole Kidman, Liv Schreiber and Dakota Fanning. And she says working with Nicole was a dream come true.
I had no idea that she was even a part of the show.
Who's Scimitar? Triumph Herald. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Supposed to build your speed up on the arch shoulder before you pull out, moron. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin. Save video. That was a bit dangerous. Somebody could have overtaken me. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Okay, Garmin. Save video. Torque. Ooh, nice little MG. Beach buggy. Yeah, just pull out, don't worry. Good job, that's a red light. Yeah. Just slow me right down, buddy. Well done. What a beauty. Scimitar. Hens. Come on then, out the way. Good girlies. Oh, go on then. Oh, there we go. Oh, nearly had it in. Oh, oh. Nothing there, you stupid truck. Straight off. Yep, braking straight off. Okay, Garmin. Say Volvo P1800. Lovely condition. Ford there, isn't it? Yeah. Camper on it as well. Lovely. What a dumbass. Yeah, don't worry about me, mate. How piss poor is that? You had plenty of room to set that up in line. You don't have to stop for me, do you, Lewis, do you? Can't park that there. Okay. What a knob.